Warning, do not do what you're about to see me do unless you have eye protection on. Now, with that being said, you know it's going to be cool, right?
Yeah, probably.
Well, guess what? Today I'm going to be modding my SOG Fast Hawk. I'm going to be using my one half horsepower bench grinder and my right angle grinder to modify the spike on this thing. I'm going to drop it down and then we'll sharpen up this part of it and then, yeah. So without further ado, I'm going to go to the, and, here, not quite finished yet, still has a little bit of work I need to do on it.
Yeah. We'll do this the rest of it off camera. We just wanted to show you guys a bit of the process, but remember, we are not affiliated with Hurting Ourselves, so anything you do is on your own command and watch. We'd like to thank you for tuning in.
Yep, thanks.
And this has been Mod Shop with Rick.